Hey everyone, today we're talking about cybersecurity and how to keep your digital world safe from online threats. In today's online world, keeping our information safe is key. Welcome to this quick guide on cybersecurity. Let's start by understanding what it is. What is cybersecurity? You've likely heard the term, but do you know what it really means? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting your networks, systems, and personal data from online threats such as hackers, viruses, and cybercriminals. Common cyber threats include phishing, malware, and ransomware. Without proper cybersecurity, these risks grow, and experts predict cybercrime could cost the world $10.5 trillion by 2025. Cybersecurity has several parts, like network security, protects data online, information security, keeps your details safe, and endpoint security, safeguards your devices. No need to worry. You can stay safe by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your software up to date. These simple steps help protect you from cyber threats. Cybersecurity is crucial for businesses too, as they store sensitive data like financial records and customer details. A breach can result in significant financial losses and damage to trust. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, emerging technologies like AI and enhanced security for IoT devices are being used to help keep us safe. Whether you're online or managing a business, cybersecurity is key to protecting your information. Stay vigilant, take the necessary precautions, and stay safe in the digital world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more helpful tech tips.